everybody, I'm John McMillan with MarineMax Norwalk, and today I have the pleasure of walking you through a 2026 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. Now, starting at the stern of this whaler, you have your 115 Mercury motor, getting the 17 Montauk on plane really fast with a great top speed. Now, as you can see to the stern of the boat swim platform, you have your sea ladder on portside stern. Then entering the boat, you'd want to take this backrest off. Now, a cool thing Boston Whaler thought of, those are actually two rod holders now. Pretty convenient if you ask me. And these two seats in the stern are extremely comfortable and easy to make. Another few things I do want to touch about with the stern, your gas cap is easy access right in the back of the boat. I know tradition for most boats, they put it on the port side, starboard side. You're gonna have some gasoline running down the hull of your boat, which you really don't want. Boston Whaler keeps it nice and clean and puts it right in the back. Now when you stop, and water starts to come in this way, you have two drains inside of the gully that shoot the water back out, keeping the gas cap nice and dry, no water in it. Underneath the gas cap, you have your two speakers to get the party going back here on the stern. Now facing the stern, you have a beautiful cushioned seat, very comfortable. That is also a foam insulated cooler. Speaking of foam insulated, it is a lot like the hull of every Boston Whaler, including this 17 Montauk, creating buoyancy and letting this boat glide through the water really well, especially the Long Island Sound. Now, speaking of this stern facing seat, that brings me to the cockpit. Now, moving forward to the cockpit, you have your classic Montauk steering wheel. Gorgeous, keeping that Boston Whaler tradition going. Right to my right, you have your throttle with your motor controls right with it, your JL audio stereo with your sound system, your dial, you name it. Simrad radio, toggle switches, your RPM display, and a great, beautiful Simrad screen right front and center. You have your traditional compass right in front of you with two charging ports in the gully and two cup holders. Now, moving forward closer to the bow, we are underneath your bimini cover. Right here in the console, you have what right now, for this instant, tackle box storage. That could also be a safety kit, whatever you need. Underneath it, your fire extinguisher storage, and yet another speaker right next to it. And if we swing over to this side of the console, you have more storage here. Plenty of space in there. It is a little deceiving from the outside, but once you check out this storage, there is a lot of space. Now moving forward to the bow, you have more rod holders here. If you remember, like I said, the stern seating turn into 4 rod holders in total over there, and you have 4 here as well, on top of a very comfortable seating pad that is also a foam insulated cooler. Now moving up to the bow of this 17 Montauk, you have a beautiful ample seating area. It being a 17 Montauk, like I said, it is pretty deceiving. Being on this boat, really getting a view and a feel of it, there is a lot of room for bringing guests out on this boat. It's pretty versatile. It's comfortable, great for lounging around, and obviously seeing all the rod holders, great for fishing as well. Now I do want to show you, this padded seating is also great storage with the little drain in there. Any water that gets in is just going to shoot right back out. Now there also is another storage compartment up front, which is your anchor garage. All right, guys, that is it for the walkthrough of the 2026 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. I hope you learned a lot. This really is one of my personal favorite models of the Boston Whaler. If you want to learn more about this boat, please call this number below. I'm John McMillan, and like always, my friends, have a good day.